In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check PT on Honkai Star Rail on Android. So if you have Android or if you have it opened on your PC, then you can actually head over and then check your PT through this way. Just need to head over and open the warp on your Android. This is actually the icon for warp, so you can usually find this on this part. So open the warp and choosing here the actual event that you want to see the PT with. They have character event warp as well as standard banner. So for this case, head over and click onto this right there. You can click onto this view details and you should be able to find there your PT. You can just count from the latest 5-star that you have got. So if you're actually 70 entries away from the latest 5-star, that means that you will have on your next 10 pull the 5-star on the actual banner. So Starrail also have a warp tracker and you can see in here character event warp. You can see the total users for specific events as well as characters, warps per day, and the likes right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.